Once you've gained enough reputation in Reddit, it's time to publish ads for your content. Head to Reddit Ads official page by going to the Promoted tab. Then click the Click Here option. You can also scroll all the way down to find the Advertise button. Either way, both options will direct you to the official ad page. On the top right corner of the screen is the Place an Ad option. Clicking it will direct you to the Reddit Ads page. You need to fill in all the necessary information regarding your content to the blank space provided. Start by naming your campaign. Then set your preferred audience interest. For example, we're going with books and writing and comics and hobbies. You can also set the target location of your ads to be viewed. Let's go with the United States. Next, you need to add your target subreddits. For example, you want your ads to appear under the subreddit r/books. Also, do note that you want your post to be both desktop and mobile friendly, so tick both boxes in the target platform section. Next is optional. However, if you find this relevant to your content, you can set the time and day targeting. Next is for you to set your budget. Following the information given, all you need to do is set the amount of bid per your budget. Then set the schedule of your ads. You either want it to run continuously or you can manually set the start and end dates. Moving to the creatives. Over here you need to set what kind of campaign you are running, link or text. Name your creative and choose your media type. Tick this box if you want to allow comments on the post. Next, you need a headline. Type the headline of your content and provide a working link in order to drive the traffic to your website. If you scroll down, you can see the preview of your ad in desktop and mobile format. This is the preview image of your ad. Click Save and Continue, and you will be directed to a summary review of your ad. This is where you can do a final checkup on your ad. If everything is in order, submit your ad for approval. Once approved, your ad will appear on the page like this. That is how you utilize Reddit to syndicate your content. Remember to build your credibility before you start sharing multiple links to your post. Slowly but surely, the reputation you build will allow your content the view it deserves.